Dear children, in the previous class we studied about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Today we'll study the multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. So, multiplication of two rational numbers is equal to product of their numerator divided by the product of their denominator. So, if a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to a into c, the product of their numerator, divided by b into d, the product of their denominator. So for example, I'll take one example. So a by b is nothing but 6 by 35 into c by d. I'll take 7 by 3. Okay, this implies what? The product of their numerator. Numerator is 6 and 7. 6 into 7 by 35 into 3. So 7 and 35 are on the same factor, that is 7 ones are 7, 5s are 35. So after simplification we get 6 by 15. So further this is 3 2s are 3, 5s are, that is nothing but 2 by 5. Properties of multiplication of rational numbers. So first one is the closure property. So if any two rational numbers are multiplied together, the result is always a rational number. So this is a by b into c by d is equal to b by q. The product of any two rational numbers, these are the two rational numbers. If you multiply together, then we get p by q. This is also a rational number only. So for example, I take a by b as 3 by 5, c by d as minus 7 by 8. So what we get here? So after simplification, 3 7s are 21 by 8 5s are 40. So this is also a rational number only. So next property is the commutative property. The multiplication of any two rational numbers is commutative. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to c by d into a by b. You can write it in any order. See, a by b you can write here, c by d also you can write in any order you can write. So I'll take one example. So a by b as minus 3 by 7, then minus 5 by 9 I'll take. So if you interchange, c by d is nothing but 5 by 9 into minus 3 by 7. So here LHS will be, first we'll see LHS. This is RHS. LHS is minus 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 9. So here 3 ones are 3 3s are. So minus into minus becomes 5 plus, minus into minus becomes plus 5 by 21. So whereas in RHS minus 5 by 9 into minus 3 by 7. So here 3 ones are 3 3s are. Minus into minus plus, 5 ones are 5, 3 7s are 21. Therefore, hence LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the commutative property of rational numbers in multiplication, it holds good. Third one is the associative property. Associative property, while multiplying 3 or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. That is, bracket a by b into c by d, bracket close, into e by f is equal to a by b into bracket c by d into e by f. You can write this one in any order, but you will get the result as the same. So, example, minus 13 by 24 into minus 12 by 5 into 35 by 36 is equal to minus 13 by 24 into bracket minus 12 by 5 into 35 by 36. So we will find out LHS first. LHS is equal to, so here 12 ones are 12 twos are, minus into minus become plus, so I'll write 13 by 10 into 35 by 36, which is equal to, here again 5 twos are 7s are, that is 13 into 7 by 2 into 36, and the answer is 13 7s are 91, 36 2s are 72. Let's see the RHS part. RHS part, here minus 13 by 24 into 12 ones are 3s are, 5 ones are 5, 7s are. So 1 into plus is minus 7 by 5 3s are 15. Minus into minus plus 13 7s are 91. Then this is 72. So this is 3. Minus 7 by 3, 24. 3 is a 72. So minus into minus become plus 91. So this is 24. 3 is a 72. Next, fourth property, existence of multiplicative identity. For any rational number a by b, we have a by b into 1 is equal to 1 into a by b. So what we get, the result is a by b only. Suppose, for example, so if I take 5 by 7 as a by b, so 1 is a multiplicative identity here. So 1 is a multiplicative identity. So 5 by 7 into, so 1 I can write it as 1 by 1. So we get the result as 1 by 1 into 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Got it? So 1 is a multiplicative identity. So next property is existence of multiplicative inverse. Every non-zero rational number a by b has its multiplicative inverse, that is b by a. So a by b, the inverse of a by b is b by a here. So I can write a by b, the inverse of a by b is b by a is equal to b by a, and the inverse of b by a is a by b is equal to, the result is always 1 here. So or else you can write it as b by a. b by a is equal to a by b the whole to the power minus 1. So you can write is called the reciprocal of a by b, because inverse of minus a to the power minus 1 is nothing but we will write it as 1 by a. Okay, then b to the power minus 1 So this one we can write as 1 by b. So by using this, so we'll write here 1 upon a to the power minus 1 is 1 upon a. Then b to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon b. So reciprocal of that is nothing but b by a. B by a. For example, 3 by 5. So a by b is nothing but 3 by 5 into b by a is 5 by 3. So what we get? 5 ones are 3 ones. It's equal to 1. So I'll take one more. So minus 5 by 8 as a by b I have taken. So minus 5 by 8 into b by a, the inverse b by a. The inverse of minus 5 by 8 is minus 8 by 5. So 8 ones are 8 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones is nothing but the result is 1. Clear? And the last property, sixth one, distributive law of multiplication over addition. Distribution law of multiplication over addition. So for any three rational numbers, a by b, c by d and e by f, we have a by b into bracket c by d plus e by f bracket close is equal to a by b into c by d plus a by b into e by f. So this into this, a by b into c by d. So plus is here, write plus. Then a by b into e by f. So a by b into e by f. Or else in simple method, if a, b, c are the numbers, then a into bracket b plus c. So how we'll write this one? We can write it as a into b. A into b plus a into c, like that. A into b plus a into c, like that. So this is a by b into c by d. Then a by b into e by f, like that. So suppose, for example, so if I take a by b as 1 upon 2 into c by d 2 by 3 plus e by f as 3 by 4 is equal to, so this is a by b into c by d. A by b is nothing but 1 upon 2 into c by d is 2 by 3 plus again a by b half into e by f is nothing but 3 by 4. First we'll see the LHS part. LHS, this is RHS. So LHS equal to, this is half into, so 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 4s are 4, 3s are, that is 8 plus 9 is equal to half into 8 plus 9 is 17 by 12. So after multiplication, 17 by 12 is nothing but 117 is 17, 12 2 is 24. Let's see the RHS part here. So this half, so half into 2 by 3 plus half into 3 by 4. So this 2 ones are 2 ones are. So this is 1 by 3 plus. So 1 into 3 is 3, 2 4s are 8. So here we take the LCM of 3 and 8. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. So 3 8s are 8, 3s are 24. So 8 ones are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 8 plus 9 is 17 by 24. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Hope you all have understood the properties of 6 properties of multiplication. So children, so this is the homework for you all. So solve exercise 1C in your homework